Welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to learn how to add roof and railing. Now I'm going to change the visual style to hidden lines by clicking here. Let's click on that, and now we can see our plan in hidden lines. Okay, press shift and press your mouse wheel to orbit, and now we're going to add roof first. So let's select the roof. I'm going to click on this arrow button to show you what kind of roofs we have. Now we have a roof by footprint. I'm going to select that. By default it's there. Now once you select the roof, you will see this option, lowest level notice. So where we want to put our roof, obviously we want to put that in level 2, right? I'm going to click on yes, and then I'm going to select this rectangle, or I can pick up walls, which are a lot easier. But before we do that, I want to just uncheck this define slope, because once we add the slope, it is going to add a slope on it, so it's going to be roof. So let's actually, I'll show you what it does. So we'll just pick these walls. Let's select this wall, select this wall, select this wall, select this wall. And one thing you probably noticed that it's giving it an offset, so it's called overhang. So I've given the value here 2 feet. Well, if we undo, so let's press Ctrl Z to undo, and then I'm gonna change this to, let's say, 6 feet, right? And if I pick the wall now, and as you can see, it's giving us the distance from the wall, and it's going to be 6 feet distance. So 2 feet is right, but it depends what kind of a project you're making. Now I'm gonna change this to 2 feet, but before we need to press Ctrl Z to undo, and let's change this to 2 feet. Overhang, that's going to get us a roof outside our wall. Let's select this wall, let's select this wall, select this wall, and select this wall, and then click on this tick mark button, and there we go. So we got the roof done with the slope. Now we will look at it as shaded visual style. I'm gonna press shift and mouse wheel to orbit. So this is kind of roof we have. So as you can see, we have 2 feet overhang here. Now what I want to do here, I want to press Ctrl Z and undo everything. Now I'm just going to, and then let's get out from the command. Now I'm going to start a roof command again, and I'm going to select level 2 and click on yes. Now I'm going to uncheck this slope. Let's uncheck that. Now we can select a line, or we can draw a rectangle. Well, we'll just pick a walls which will apply our overhang. If I select this line, as you can see, it changes, the option bar changes. Now we have to give offset. So whenever I draw a line, it should give offset. But it's a good way to pick wall. So let's select that. Overhang is 2 feet, that's fine. I'm gonna select this wall, select this wall, select this wall, select this wall. As you can see, I'm making this in 3D. You can do that in 3D and 2D as well. And once we're done, I'm gonna click on this tick mark button to apply the roof. Now let's look at it in shaded so we get a better idea. Now we have the roof done without slope. Now I'm going to change this to hidden lines again. And now we need to add the railing on the roof. There is a command in circulation, railing. If I click on this arrow button, we have 2 options. Railing placed on host, railing by sketch path. Let's select that. And now we need to draw a line, a rectangle, or we can pick lines if we already drawn a line. So let's select the rectangle. The reason why I'm selecting rectangle, because this roof is in a rectangular shape. So we actually need to go to level 2 to do that. So let's go to level 2, and then I'm able to pick these points. So let's select the rectangle command again, and now as you can see, I'm able to pick these lines. Let's select this and draw a railing here, and then I'm going to click on this tick mark to apply that. To look at this, we go back to 3D view. Let's click here, and now the problem is that we actually drawn this railing on the ground level. So what I can do, I can move this up. So if we select that, and I'm going to click on this pick a new host, and let's select this roof as a host. Click on it, and there you go. that railing will automatically be aligned. The reason why I did that is because I wanted to show you that pick new host command. So you can pick a different host to change the location of your railing. Now let's look at it in shaded mode. Now as you can see that we have successfully drawn a railing, and if I select this railing, we go to the properties and we have different types of railing here. So if I click on this, we get this drop down menu. We have this glass panel, bottom fill, rectangular, and pipe railing. So I'm going to select this glass panel one, and as you can see here, we have the railing done with the glass panel. Now we can load a different kind of railing if you have already done the family and you know how to program in Revit. So for now we will just care about these railings, whatever we have, but we could add more railings. We could add multiple, like, you know, our own custom railing. So this is how you can do roof and railing. Now in the next video we will learn about this modify panel, which is the most important video. So I'll see you guys in that one.